Watkins ar gornel i Caerdydd. Y pen ei fyny, Sweeney'n dod amdani, mae'r bel yn rhydd yn y cwrt. Broadhurst yn yrgydio unwaith, ddwywaith, a mae'n cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Sweeney wedi anafu, yn mynd am y bel. Oedd hi'n fler, a Broadhurst bron ar hwydo i Caerdydd. Mae'r brwydro yn frwd yng nghanol cae. A Caerdydd sy'n ennill y tro hwn ar bas drodd i Phoebe Poole. Phoebe Poole un ar un gyda'r golwr. Sweeney allan oddi ar ei llinell. Ac yn atal yn ardderchog. Wel, mae gan Poole 23 o goliau uwchlwb o'i gwlad y tymor hwn, ond Sweeney'n gweud yn gampus. Laura May Walkley yn croesi'n gynnar at y canor Murray'r ergyd. Yn syth at y golwr braidd, oedd hwnna'n gyfle da. Murray'n cyrraedd yr un pryd ar bel yr hediad hwyr o gan y cae, ond syth at y golwr. Chavez yn gry. Pas i Murray. Murray, y croesiad Price yn ei methu hi nawr, dyma yna gyfle! A mae Emily Allen wedi rhoi met Caerdydd ar y blaen yn y funud ola. Mae ganddyn nhw un llaw ar Tlws yr Adran. Croesiad Murray ac Emily Allen yn cadw'i phen. Richardson yn sicr wedi gael gol ar ôl yr anaf i Sweeney. Dyna wedi chwarae dros y 90. Soddiad hyfryd gan Poole i Amy Williams. Heibio un, heibio dwy. Williams yn syrthio ar y cwrt. Ac mae Mr Hammer yn pwyntio at y smotin am ddrama hwyr y Mar Parc y ddraig. Mae'n gic o'r smotin yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau i'r adar gleision. Phoebe Poole yn erbyn Annabel Sweeney. Poole yn ergydio Sweeney'n arbed. Fe ddewisodd hi'n gyflym a llaw gre i'w chlibio hi hefyd. Gwych gan y golwr. A dyna ni y chwiban ola. Gol Emily Allen oedd y gwahaniaeth rhwng y tîmau a gorfoledd i met Caerdydd. Tor calon i Caerdydd a Phoebe Poole fethodd y gic o'r smotin hwyr. Met Caerdydd yw enillwyr Tlws Adran Genero 2022. Llongyfarchiadau mawr yn myfyrwyr.
Winning any cup special, I think we set out with a target to win these 2 cup finals that we're in, and to have got across the line and won, absolutely buzzing. So yeah, really, really happy.
Well, congratulations on being awarded Player of the Match. You must be delighted with the winning goal.
Yeah, absolutely buzzing. Wasn't really expecting it to come to me. We didn't have many chances, but I think it shows that we just kept going right to the end, and yeah, luckily it fell to me and I put it away. Now
we're looking at the game. Obviously we've got Cardiff City in the Cardiff City Stadium in the league, so we're excited to go and do that. We've got Swansea at home. We always look at the next game, but yeah, obviously the big one is the Welsh Cup final at the end of April, so looking forward to that.
And you may have won Player of the Match, but I saw at the end quite a sweet moment in you trying to give the trophy to Sweeney because of that save in the dying moments. Explain to me how you felt there.
Yeah, I gave it to Annabelle. I thought she was class. She was playing the one leg half the game, obviously made a few saves and then the penalty save, so absolutely unreal.
I don't think anything went wrong, to be honest. I thought half-time it was 0-0. We were well in the game. Second half, I thought we were the dominant side. We had all the clear-cut chances. It's one of them days, you know. We had clear chances in the second half, some clear ones in the first half. Obviously, the penalty at the end, just a lottery. So, you know, to take the penalty at 17 years old, Phoebe's done incredibly there. She's been brave, and unfortunately, it's not come off. But we go again. We got another cup final coming up soon. So, yeah, nothing went wrong. Just little things to improve going forward.